Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the COMFEE 1.6 CUFT and the COSTWAY portable washing machine. In this video, we will dive into their specifications, features, and user experiences to help you make an informed decision. Whether you're living in an apartment, RV, or dorm, finding the right washing machine is crucial. Let's get started. When it comes to price, the COMFEE 1.6 CUFT portable washing machine is significantly more expensive at $329 compared to the COSTWAY portable washing machine, which is priced at just $159. This price difference can be a deciding factor for many consumers, especially those on a budget. However, it's essential to consider what features and benefits each machine offers for the price. In terms of capacity, the COSTWAY machine offers a total capacity of 18 pounds, which includes 11 pounds for washing and 7 pounds for spinning. On the other hand, the COMFEE's machine has a capacity of 1.6 CUFT, which is equivalent to 11 pounds. This means that while the COSTWAY can handle larger loads, the COMFEE's may be more efficient for smaller, fully automatic washes. The design of both machines also caters to portability, making them suitable for various living situations. The COMFEE 1.6 CUFT is a fully automatic washing machine, offering 6 wash programs and additional features like a child lock and delay start. This makes it incredibly user-friendly and convenient for those who prefer a hands-off approach. In contrast, the COSTWAY model operates with manual controls and requires more user involvement, which may not be ideal for everyone. However, its simplicity can also be seen as an advantage for those who appreciate straightforward operation. In conclusion, both the COMFEE's and COSTWAY portable washing machines have their unique strengths and weaknesses. If you prioritize automation and advanced features, the COMFEE is the way to go. However, if you're looking for a budget-friendly option with a larger capacity, the COSTWAY might be the better choice. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.